Welcome to our in-depth review of Banggood, a popular e-commerce platform specializing in dropshipping and wholesale products. If you're exploring options to streamline your online business, Banggood offers a wide variety of products, competitive prices, and direct shipping solutions. The platform supports businesses of all sizes with a user-friendly interface and tools like API integration, making it an excellent choice for new and experienced dropshippers. Their product catalog spans multiple categories, including electronics, fashion, home goods, and gadgets, catering to diverse customer preferences. The product pages are detailed, often including specs, customer reviews, and multiple shipping options tailored to different regions, enhancing buyer confidence. Banggood's processing times are generally efficient, though they may vary depending on warehouse location. Some users report delays during peak seasons, but tracking and customer support tools help mitigate these challenges. Struggling to source reliable suppliers for your growing business? With Alibaba.com, you gain access to millions of verified manufacturers offering competitive pricing and global shipping solutions. Worry about quality? Our trade assurance protects your orders, ensuring secure transactions and on-time delivery every time. Registration link, bonus for new users, and many other useful links in the description. For dropshippers, Banggood's Dropshipping Center provides useful resources, including exclusive discounts and promotional tools to increase margins. However, navigating international shipping rates and handling customer service for issues like damaged goods can pose challenges. Banggood is continually improving its platform and offers detailed logistics solutions to ensure seamless order fulfillment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you found this review helpful.